In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a checklist in Trello so you can break down tasks, assign responsibilities, and keep your projects organized step by step. If you're using Trello for team management, content planning, client work, or even personal productivity, checklists are one of the most powerful features you can use. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any tips. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple Trello tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Trello board. In this example, we're using a board called Team Execution Board, but this works on any Trello board you have access to. Once you're inside your board, you'll see different lists and cards organized based on your workflow. Next, click on the card where you want to add a checklist. For example, here we're clicking on a card called Design Instagram Ad for Spring Campaign. When you click on the card, a detailed view will open. This is where you can add descriptions, due dates, attachments, labels, and of course, checklists. On the right-hand side of the card, you'll see a menu with different options. Look for the option labeled Checklist and click on it. As soon as you click Checklist, a small pop-up will appear asking you to name your checklist. Now, type in the name of your checklist. This could be something like Task Breakdown, Approval Steps, Content Requirements, or anything that fits your workflow. Naming your checklist clearly helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to add multiple checklists to the same card. After typing in the checklist name, click on the Add button. Instantly, your checklist will appear inside the card. You'll now see a progress bar at the top of the checklist showing 0% completed, which will automatically update as you check off items. Now it's time to add items to your checklist. In the Add an Item field, start typing each task you want included. For example, you might type Manager Approval, Designer Review, Create Draft, Final Edits, or Publish Ad. After typing each item, press Enter or click Add to include it in the checklist. Repeat this process until all your tasks are listed. As you complete tasks, simply click the checkbox next to each item. Trello will automatically update the progress bar so you can visually track how much of the checklist is done. This is extremely useful for team collaboration because everyone can instantly see the progress of a task without opening multiple tools or sending follow-up messages. You can also rearrange checklist items by dragging and dropping them into the correct order. If something changes in your workflow, just reorganize the list to match your priorities. And if needed, you can even add multiple checklists to the same card for different stages of a project. That's it. That's how you add a checklist in Trello. It's simple, but it makes a huge difference in how organized and efficient your projects are. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, tracking client deliverables, or planning your weekly tasks, checklists help ensure nothing gets missed. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.